Hello and welcome to Agric-Care Uganda YouTube channel. In today's video, we'll walk through everything you need to know about establishing a successful cashew plantation. From understanding the ecological requirements to proper site selection, planting techniques, and maintenance of your orchard.
Whether you're a first-time farmer or looking to expand your agricultural portfolio, cashew can be an excellent cash crop with significant returns when grown correctly. So, let's get started. Ecological requirements. Cashew is primarily a tropical crop with specific environmental needs. Understanding these requirements is your first step towards success. Temperature requirements. Cashew thrives in warm conditions with average temperatures between 25 to 28 degrees Celsius. The trees can tolerate temperatures up to 40 degrees Celsius, but performance decreases in cooler conditions. Consistent temperatures promote better flowering and fruiting. Rainfall patterns. Cashew requires between 500 millimeters to 1,200 millimeters of rainfall annually. Critically needs 4 to 5 months of dry weather after the rainy season for optimal flowering and yields. Long days of sunshine are essential for good blooming and production. Excessive humidity promotes fungal diseases that can devastate your crop. Soil requirements. Cashew is quite particular about soil conditions, soil type and depth. It prefers deep soils, greater than 2 meters, thrives in well-drained, light-textured soils. Often described as a sand-loving plant. Avoid heavy clay soils, compact soils, or soils with hard pans. Soil pH. Optimal pH range is between 4.5 and 6.5. Cashew can tolerate acidic conditions down to pH 3.8. Not tolerant to saline soils. Site selection. Choosing the right site is perhaps the most critical decision you'll make. Ideal conditions. Select land with sandy loam soil texture. Choose gently sloping land with good drainage. Look for sites with consistent sunlight exposure. Areas to avoid: valleys, floodplains, and swampy areas with poor drainage. Heavy clay soils, especially dark cracking clays. Compact soils with hard surface setting, soils with hard pans or concretions within rooting zones. Very high altitudes, above 1,500 meters above sea level. Land preparation and planting. Hole preparation. Dig planting holes measuring 60 centimeters in circumference and 60 centimeters deep. This size allows for proper root development. Soil mixture. Prepare a mixture of 2 parts sandy loam soil with 1 part well-decomposed manure. This enriched mixture provides essential nutrients for early growth. Planting procedure. Fill the hole partially with the soil manure mixture. Place the seedling in the center of the hole. Fill the remainder of the hole with the soil mixture. Plant the seedling to the root collar level, not too deep or too shallow. Press soil firmly but gently around the seedling to remove air pockets. Spacing. Proper spacing is crucial for long-term orchard health. Space trees in a 9 meters by 9 meters grid pattern. This equates to approximately 123 trees per hectare. Proper spacing ensures adequate sunlight reaches all parts of each tree. Good air circulation to prevent fungal diseases. Space for equipment to move between rows for maintenance and harvesting. Room for the mature canopy to develop fully. Intercropping. During the early years of your cashew plantation, you can maximize land use and generate additional income through intercropping. Important note: as your cashew trees mature, gradually reduce intercropping to prevent competition for nutrients and water. Weed management. Maintaining a weed-free orchard is essential for optimal cashew production. Establishing a successful cashew plantation requires attention to detail from site selection through to orchard maintenance. By following the guidelines we've covered today, understanding the ecological requirements, careful site selection, proper hole preparation and planting, correct spacing, strategic intercropping, diligent weed management, you'll be well on your way to developing a productive cashew orchard that can provide yields for 50+ years.
Remember, the first 3 years are critical for establishing strong, healthy trees that will form the foundation of your orchard. Invest the time and resources now for better returns in the future.
Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe for more agricultural tips and techniques. Until next time, happy cashew farming.